Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty on NVIDIA GeForce Now. First, make sure your device meets the system requirements and you have a strong internet connection, ideally over 50 megabits per second for the best experience. Next, download and install the GeForce Now application on your preferred platform. Once installed, simply log in with your NVIDIA account or create a new one. Finally, link your game store accounts, such as Steam or Battle.net, to ensure your Call of Duty titles are recognized. Once you're logged in, finding Call of Duty is straightforward. Navigate to the search bar within the GeForce Now application and type in Call of Duty. You'll see various titles appear. Select the specific game you wish to play. Then, simply click the prominent play button. GeForce Now will quickly connect you to one of their high-performance cloud gaming rigs, preparing your game for streaming in just a few moments. To ensure the best possible Call of Duty experience, consider optimizing your settings. Within the GeForce Now app, you can adjust streaming quality. For competitive play, prioritize lower latency over maximum graphics. Select a server location that is geographically closest to you, which can reduce ping by several milliseconds. A wired Ethernet connection, rather than Wi-Fi, provides a more stable and faster connection, crucial for fast-paced games. Also, close any background applications consuming bandwidth. For truly smooth Call of Duty gameplay, a few extra tips can make a big difference. Make sure your monitor's refresh rate is set to match the stream's frame rate, often 60 or 120 frames per second, for fluid visuals. Using a low-latency gaming mouse and keyboard or a responsive controller will minimize input lag. Periodically check your internet speed to ensure it remains consistently above 50 megabits per second. Finally, a premium GeForce Now membership offers priority access and extended session lengths.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.